Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to clear your search history in Google Play. So I've already opened the Google Play apps on my phone, and then you can just click on your profile icon at the top, and here select settings and click on the general settings and choose the account and device preferences. And then scroll down, you'll find the history tab. In the settings, you can clear your device search history by clicking this. You can remove search you have performed from this device, so click on this, and then there's a question. You can just click clear history. Okay, your search history has been cleared just like that. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.